All right. So let me make sure I covered everything. Where's my list? I don't want to leave y'all not knowing. All right.
No, I think this is a ton of stuff to work on.
It is. But you know how long it takes to create an app? Start to finish. If I do my research, about 15 minutes on my research, do the ad in less than 5 minutes, 20 minutes. But for you guys, practically 3 hours. Because my first ad took me about 3 hours, 3 or 4 hours. Step by step, how to do it. You should be marketing on Facebook and Google pay-per-click. You should be focused on move up, buyer price points. We just talked about that. Those are sellers. If you don't want to do this on your own, EXP Enterprise has somebody you can pay to do it for you. Okay. Who is it? Hope you guys know about this resource. EXP Enterprise.
Make it rain cheap.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to pull up. But I want to make sure find it. You log into EXP Enterprise. And if you don't want to be bothered with this stuff, I wouldn't advise you to be bothered with it, because you're not going to be good at the resources. You're going to be like, it with Anthony Top doesn't work, even though he just showed me 5,000 leads, 10, 8, 15,000 leads generated. It's your ad. Your ad sucks. You work on your ad.
That was encouraging.
Yeah, your ad sucks. You're marketing what you want versus what other people want. You should be marketing a $450,000 house for $425,000. And your phone will, your ads will ring off the hook. Here's making it rain in EXP Enterprise. This is a lead generation service for you guys. You guys could, guess what? You could combine your money together, and you guys could all, why don't y'all come together and get paid? I mean, come together and put y'all finances together and try something else out. This is how you test stuff. You're not a solo agent. You got to become more. You're with us, dog. Like this, come on now. Y'all rolling with the big dogs. I'm showing you 7-figure business here. Okay.
Oh, it literally says make it rain.
You can get these are express offer leads. I just told you how they work. 70%, boom, make them pay for an appraisal. Okay, great. How the program works is however you say it works, just so you know. Program works like this, Miss McGillicuddy. Okay, we got to get an appraisal order. Okay, let's get your credit card, swipe that. We can get your appraisal order, boom, boom. Once we get that back, we're going to offer you 70% of the value of your home. Or what we can do is a traditional route, put on the market. We'll probably get it. It all depends on why would I take 70%? Because you might have to move now. That's why it's so important. You guys are doing your VIP buyer program meetings with me. A lot of you guys are missing, asking me, why am I even buying? You don't know why I'm buying. How can you sell me? I don't know. You're just selling me how you want to sell. You're not selling me to how I need to be sold to. You could just out if it's me, because I'm 100% confident I'm buying these. These are sellers. 70% are traditional. What do you want to do, Miss McGillicuddy? Okay. They do Google ads for you. They do Google. These are Google pay-per-click ads for you.